archaeological teams have struck gold or, more accurately, copper with a fascinating new discovery in Egypt's South Sinai region. At the site of Wadi al-Nasb, a location deeply intertwined with the biblical narratives of Moses and the Book of Exodus, experts have unearthed a sophisticated, multi-millennia-old copper smelting workshop. This isn't just a handful of relics. The find is a treasure trove of industrial history that shines a light on the advanced capabilities of the ancient Egyptians during the Bronze Age. Archaeologists recovered a range of items, including actual copper smelting furnaces, ore preparation tools, such as rounded crushing stones, ceramic crucibles, ingots, and even specialized objects like purified clay used for making tuyère heads, furnace nozzles. According to the Egyptian Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities, this discovery reveals clear evidence of an advanced industrial system for copper smelting and casting. The metal produced here, which was crucial for crafting weapons, tools, currency, and administrative objects, was then transported to the Nile Valley, fueling the economy and power of the empire. The strategic importance of Sinai is once again highlighted, not only for its famed turquoise deposits. It sits near the former mining hub of Serabit el-Khadim, but also as a powerhouse for metal production. This advanced industrial hub offers a new dimension to understanding ancient Egypt's metallurgical achievements and, as officials hope, opens new horizons for cultural tourism in this historically rich and enigmatic area.